Hello students, we are learning lesson number 2, Europe and India. Last class we have studied about intellectual revolution in Europe, American War of Independence, French Revolution. Now we shall proceed with the further points that are Industrial Revolution, rise of capitalism, colonialism, imperialism, struggle between English and French. So let's continue the topic. Industrial Revolution. In the later period of 18th century, there were many technological inventions in Europe. There was production with the help of machines running on steam. The cottage industries were replaced by big factories. Machines came to be used instead of handlooms. Railway and steamers became the mode of the age of machines began, and that is known as Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution began in England and then spread in other parts of West. During this period, England enjoyed industrial prosperity and come to be described as world factory. Rise of capitalism. With the discovery of new sea routes began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders come together and started trade. Thus, there was rise of many trading companies. Trade and Oriental companies was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Oriental means Eastern. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to these trading companies. Rise of Europe. This led accumulation of wealth in Europe. This prosperity used in form of capital for trade and commerce, which led rise of capitalistic economic system in Europe. Imperialism. Imperialism means a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asia and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. Imperialism of British and East India Company. There was competition among European countries for acquiring trade monopoly in India. The British established British East India Company in 1600 AD to carry out trade in India. This company took permission from Emperor Jahangir and established its factory in Surat. The trade between India and England was carried out through this company. Struggle between English and France. England and France were rivals in the competitions for trade in India. Due to this, there were 3 wars fought between them, which are known as Carnatic Wars. In the Third Carnatic War, England finally defeated France. Therefore, now there was no strong European competitor for British East India Company in India. So students, here I think you have understand the lesson. Thank you.